Hey there, have you ever been totally baffled by some weird American expressions? Like why would anyone spill the beans instead of, keeping a secret? Are beans really that hard to keep in a jar? Today we are diving into some hilarious and quirky American expressions that will leave you laughing and maybe, scratching your head. So without much delay, let us get started. Let's start with break the ice. Break the ice. No, we are not talking about smashing ice cubes with a hammer. It means doing something to ease tension and start a conversation. Imagine you are at a party and it's awkward. Someone cracks a joke. Boom. Ice broken. Just don't take it literally at a frozen lake. Next we have piece of cake. Piece of cake. Americans use this to say something is super easy, like that of math test. Oh, it was a piece of cake. I always wonder why cake? Why not pizza? Anyway, cake is delicious, so we will let this one slide. Next we have hold your horses. Hold your horses. Have you ever heard that one? It means wait a minute. Imagine you are excited about opening presents and someone yells, hold your horses, unless you own actual horses. This one is just, well, funny, right? Here is a dark but funny one. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. It's a quirky way of saying someone passed away. But who came up with this? Were buckets involved? I don't even want to know. Next we have burning the midnight oil. Means staying up late to work. But in modern times, no one uses oil lamps anymore. If you are watching Netflix at 12 a.m., can we still say you are burning the midnight oil? Food for thought. Next one is when pigs fly. This means something will never happen. Like, oh sure, I will win the lottery when pigs fly. Unless scientists figure out, jetpacks for pigs. I think we are safe on this one. Here is another wild one. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. It means to face a tough situation. It comes from a time when soldiers literally bit on bullets during surgery. Ouch! Thankfully, now it's just an expression. So there you have it, dear friends. Some of the funniest American expressions you should know. Which one was your favorite one? Or do you have a hilarious expressions from your own culture? Drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational content. Until next time, keep laughing at life's quirky expressions. See you in the next video.